Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is recently I started getting the topics from ChatGPT, but I think it's not working out for me well. So I am switching back to my good old method, generating at a random table topic from a program. So, okay, so the table topic for today is how to tell the difference between real and fake news. How to tell the difference between real and fake news. So, how do we identify which news is fake, which news is real? Earlier, it was a bit easier to identify fake news because the fake news had so many things missing. But these days, the people who create fake news, they have evolved very well. They can create facts which look like to be true. So recently I got to know that how people create the fake news and create the propaganda. So for example, let's say there are five aspects of anything, any event or something like that. So what they will do is they will tell you exactly two or three true facts. Then they create next to like fake facts. So when you hear that news, you find that this looks like very true news, authentic source, because some of the things you can match, but the next two facts you are not able to match because you didn't know, and now it seems that those are the true facts. So in today's world, it has become difficult to separate out the real news from fake news. But even then, we can follow three things. Number one is always verify the source from where you are reading. So if you are reading from authentic sources, then it has higher chances to be true, but it's not the 100% that might be true as well. Number two, always check for the discrepancy what they are saying. So when you read an article, you find that the person is stated fact like this, and then he is stating like this. So this way also. Third thing is that always try to find out what might be the agenda of publishing this article. So for example, if there is a tragedy and the people, a particular newspaper is blaming the party, the state government, for this failure, and is not able to ask the right question. So that is very important here. If the person, if the media outlet or anything is not asking the right and correct question and just blaming someone, then it also might not be the you know authentic source, what I'm saying. So when you are summarizing again, when you want to identify that which one is a fake news, which one is a true news, always read the news from verified sources. Always verify, maybe ask someone, or maybe Google, or maybe use your brain. So by using all these few things, you will be having a better chance at identifying them. Thank you. Over to you.